Ayan, makikita nyo, out of the 536 Pi coin natin, 401 lang talaga yung pwede kong mailabas or mai-withdraw to a centralized exchange. So na-load yun, itong 401 na transfer sa mainnet wallet ko last March 4, 2025. And then, pagka binalikan natin, oh, wait lang ha. Ayan. So dito sa part na to guys, makikita nyo, locked until, okay? March 18, 2025. So 3:21:20 yung oras, okay? So ito yung date and time kung kailan ko pwedeng i-expect na yung 0.01 kanina dito sa wallet natin, dapat lalabas na yan na 536. Ayan on March 18. Hintayin lang natin. Ayan. Yung available balance dyan na 0.01, dapat ma-add na yung, madadagdagan dapat yun ng 400 na Pi. Kapag ka naging gano'n na yung view ng wallet natin, automatically pwede ko nang yan. Gagawa tayo ng, ita-transfer ko na yan or i-withdraw ko na sa centralized exchange. So, gagawan ko yan ng video para mapatunayan kung talagang, kasi pag nagawa ko yun talagang, hindi scam yung Pi, talagang nagkapera ako dito. Okay, ganun lang. So, pag gano'n ang nangyari, sa gate.io ako magta-transfer kasi yun na yung matagal kong ginagamit ever since. Okay? So, tuloy natin. Stick lang kayo sa video guys kasi I'm expecting na hindi to dinidiscuss ng ibang mga nag-YouTube, okay, about Pi Network. Ayan. Disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies.